Hey guys, today we're going to spawn into a new world and I have mods on, so yeah, I pressed it and see? Ooh, nice. X-ray, boom baby. I can enchant and give myself items. Oh, that is awesome. Okay, it's... Oh my god, what the crap? What in the crap? What in the crap? The crap are you? Are you so crapping monsters? What the crap bar is this? What the crap bar is this? Is this some kind of tool? What the crap is this? What the crap is this? Ow! Boom, boom. 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 No. Ooh! Ooh, ooh, ooh. I just got the perfect idea. I'm making the ultimate god armor. And if you want, I can do... Give me one like and go to the Ender Dragon and kill him with this armor in Minecraft. But in survival, I'll kill him. No, not game. No! It's gonna crash. Oh, frick. I knew it. Hold up. Okay, I'm back in the game. It just kicked me out for the... Because I accidentally pressed give. I know. I can't press that. I'm a little sick and I got a tube sticked into me. Oh yeah, I forgot. Enchant. No! World. Where's thorns? Where's thorns? I need thorns. Is this thorns? Blast protection, fire protection. That's awesome. Actually, I'll get everything. Wait, no. No. Feather falling, actually... No! What did I just do? God's helmet. We are the champions. Everything from here. Breaking as well. Mending. Curse of binding. No! Done. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Can you still move? Yes, you can. I am a god to you peasants. Mwahaha. Ooh, nice. What you got in here? Nothing. This house is trash. Sooner or later, I'm gonna blow it off with TNT. This is the kind of village that has like 2 doors. Or is it? What are you doing? Trade. What does this have? I should have gotten emeralds. Wait here. Wait right here. Just don't go anywhere. I'm finding emeralds. Getting emeralds. Okay, I got emeralds. Oh! Give me that. This clap. I just need coal. Is clap. Okay, now. Gimme. Fine, I'll give you coal then. Coal lover. What is this sword? Okay, goodbye, loser. No! I just realized I can make a better sword. I hate this. Villager, you suck. I don't know why I did that. Why me? Why am I so stupid? No. Wait. What day is it? Tell me what day is it? Wednesday. When it's Saturday, I want to go to my friend Timo's house. And I want to show him this place of mine. Wait, no. Yes. Okay. I need to do one at a time. Okay. Y'all good? Boom. Today is the best day ever. I finally found this type of thing. Let's see. Sorry, this is gonna really hurt for everyone. Especially for me. That really hurt my ears. Hold up. Oh yeah, I mean creative. I'm gonna go in survival! Well, maybe it's gonna glitch out and I have to restart, so yeah. So maybe this is goodbye. If it is, I'm making another episode of this. No. No. Enchant. God's everything. God's leggings. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Leggings. Ah! No. What did I do? Wait. What did I do? What did I just do? What the frick? What the frick? And I fucked you up. Hold up. I think I know what to do. What? No, that's not fair. How did I do with the diamond leggings then? Leggings. Yeet are the yeetions of the yeetation. Yeet this thing, I'm out. I've heard this thing you can duplicate armor in creative mode. Like in creative mode, you just get in creative mode, grab some of your armor, do like this, and it will get on you, and there will be another of the same one in this same slot. But I can't do that in survival, can you? Because that would be too OP. Up. Imagine just going to the end and killing the Ender Dragon with one-shotted God's boots. I mean, actual normal boots. Imagine that. Should I put Frostwalker there? No. Just in case I want to fight it with just this. No! No! Frick! Frick this. Not leggings anymore, they're boots now. We are the champions. Done. Now that's good. Boom. No. Now. Who's hungry? That's from FGTV. I like it. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. Wow. Punch. Power and punch. Ooh. Wait, Frostwalker on my sword? Ooh. Impaling. Ooh. Multi-shot. Oh. This is perfect. Are y'all still moving? Well, actually, let me walk in water. Bummer. Hey, Iron Golem. Do you want to fight? Iron Man. Where the hell did you go? I put Thorns Infinite on here, so yeah, no matter what he does. Well, actually, only if he hits me. Hey! Iron Man. Hey, boys. Where did your Iron Man go? Iron Man, wait for me. Hey, let me punch you. Hey, boy. Hey, boy. Boom. Fight me. Heh. What's next? Who's next? Llama. Oh, I thought that. Kitty cat. I don't mean no harm. Neither do you. Ooh. Oh! I think I own a kitty. Don't worry. I have. What the? I just moved normal speed and I'm crouching. Okay, who wants free food? I got pork chops for days. I got black, I got white. What you want? Hold up. Ah, nice soda. Like I'm invincible. My armor's still good. Yep. Good to go. Hey, you. Let's go. Makes mine golems. Not fine. Then I'll make it nighttime. Oh, hold up. Hold up. Damage. Fall damage. This is fine. Foxy, do you want food? Holy fuck no. Tiger. Creeper. Man. Zoe, I help Foxy. Sorry, Wolfie Papolfie. Run, Foxy. No, fine. I'm coming after y'all. You want some meat? I want you to be my own. Any bones? No. Yeah. 64. I got my very own Doge. Movement for me. Flying. Speed. And high jump. Jump height. First I'll try that. Oh, this is my jam. Ba ba da ba 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 da ba 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 ba. Boom! She got me one. Oh, Doge! I love you so much. Let's jump up. Boom. Doji! Help, Doge. I'm stuck. Never mind. I love you, Doji. I got black, I got white. What you want? Boom. Okay, this is kind of weak. This fall. This jump. Because it's not on that. Oh, that's just the speed. I don't want 5 speed with that. And this one. Doge! Get up here. You know what? I do want slow falling. I'm strongest boy world. Boom. Potatoes? What the oh, you wanna fight me? That's a potatoes. Sorry. Hey, sorry, I give you back potatoes. It's in water. It's on you now. You! You with the hat. Give me all your money. Ah! Just murdered it. This thing. Doge? Where did you go, Doge? I miss you. Potato. And oh, Doge, I found you. No, Doge's gonna get wet. No. Come on. Oh my god, Doge really loves me. No, this will hurt Doge. No. Doge, come here. That's food. Come on, Doge. Let's go in here. Come on. Don't you want your food? Come on. Where? Oh yeah. Doge? Let's go, Doge. I don't want us. Do you want us to sit alone? Nope. Let's go. I don't need to travel on foot, but I want to. I'll make oyster. Oh! No, jump down, don't do that. Did you fall down? Okay, I'll give him all the meat he desires. Oh yeah. Okay, I'll get haste. Where's haste? Doge, coming. Doji. Wait, can I? Mushi. God's FGTV. Oh! Hey, Doge. You want this? Hey, Doge! I will feed you 63 beef. First, sit. I got leather for days. Good boy. Feed. Eat. Feast. What? Feast, my Doge. Feast, beautiful creature. You get a feast, beautiful creature. Right now, let's go. Boom. I got black, I got white, what you want? Oh. Wait a minute. I'm sorry, I must damage your home. It's a test. Ooh! My hands. They're just killers. Oh! I'm in creative mode. I know that. Doge. Here. I want you to listen to me. Listen to me. Here, I will give you the spell forever. Wait, before I give you that, I want to kill a pig. Let's go. Because it gives me a lot of food, right? If you want me to make this a series, like, give me one like. That's all. And we'll make a new series about this. Welcome to episode 1. Maybe. Doge, let's go. Follow me. Where are all the pigs? Where are all the ugly fat bastards? Those pigs. You with the sheep top. Accidentally wrote FGTV. Doge. Now let's go. Pig. Now you want to show up? I'll kill you later. For now, I gotta get back to home. Woo! Let's go here, Doji. Doge? Doge? Oh! Okay. Sit down. Doge. Hold up. Doge, listen to me. You will be granted this bell, and you have to keep it until eternity, okay? Take it, my dog. Take it for life. Can you mind your own... Do not do what I just did. Do not. Okay, Doji, let's go. Who wants to be my new Doji? I'll get infinite Dojis. When my friend punches me, he's gonna be like, oh shit. Boo. Boo. You. Be my Doge. Woo. Doji. Hi, Doji. You're getting a new brother. Or best friend, even. Your best friend's stubborn. Let's go, boys. It's the Doge. Oh yeah, I forgot I have voice. Yeet, yeet. I'm. Oh, no. Ah! Oh yeah, I forgot. What I wanted to do with this wood. Doji. Hi, Doji number 1. Where Doji? Oh yeah, I forgot he's a stubborn one. Oh! Okay. Oh. Okay, you can just sit there if you want. Can't believe I had 2 bells. Doji number 1 has my bell. And you up there? You doing okay? Doing fine? Good. Oh yeah, what I wanted to do with these sticks. Like sticks, bones. Hey! Oh! Oh! You must really hate bones. I'm gonna enchant it. Oh. You think that this... Never mind. Boom. I'm breaking the stick. Wow. For aspect. Done. Hey, I got 4 of these sticks. Wow. Hoo-wee, malooly. Stick. Imagine a day in God's life and this is his toothpick. You! Okay, but you. No! No! Get down! Get down from... Doji, help me! Get down from... Okay, I'm increasing my jump height. To full. Okay, Doji, get down. Get... Doge! Where'd you go? Ah! Where'd your brother go? Doge! Get over here. You're not allowed to root. This will kill him. Oh! Doge, no. You'll be fed. You will make Doge Jr. Where is... Oh. Who just got in love? Okay, make... Nope. This is 13 plus. Oh, Doji Jr., you're so cute. You're the cutest thing ever. Oh. I want you to grow up like your... So big, like your mama and papa. Oh! Eat. Get on the roof of darkness. Okay? Get on the roof of darkness, Doges. Get on. You're not fine. I'll discuss it down here. You see that cat over there? That cat over there? I'm gonna kill it with a stick. The stick, okay? You better not help me. Because the cat's mine. Die! I'm gonna kill you with a stick. I am gonna kill you with a stick. I'm gonna kill you with a stick. I'm gonna you up. Don't just help. Attack me. Attack me. Doges! Are you in the roof of talkingness? Doge! You Doge number 1 or number 2. I should get name tags. I don't have name tags. How do I make name tags? I don't get materials for name tags. Where are all the name tags? Or are they not called name tags anymore? Shut up, Doji. I'm trying to find a name tag. Actually, I don't care. Doji number 1 or number 2. What the? Little Timmy? You're Doji number 3. Son of a Doge. Ree. Let's go. World. No, I'll just get a 3x3. Now look at this stick. Oh, Doge! You're stuck in there. Little Timmy, Doge number 3, and Mama Doge, get in there. This is how you get your dogs to mine with you. Mine diamonds! Oh! I'm so sorry. So far I've got 2! I will not be surprised if my dogs die during this. Mine! Be alive! Take your food! You two, get down here! Get down here with little Timmy! Get the fuck! Let's heal you first. Then you can go down. Healed. Get down there. Get the fuck! Oops, sorry. You two. There's a burr in here. Okay, you weren't hurt at all. Get down with little Timmy and Mama. And get down there with Doge, little Timmy. Good job. Good. Feed. You. They made babies? What the? Oops. Sorry. Make more. Can I feed him? Oh, I was hungry. No. Oh, I was so hungry? Oops. Well, let's begin the mining. Oops. Dogies! Don't follow me like that. I hear a zombie. Okay, you won't be able to see, but me and everyone else, actually, X-ray it. Okay, it's really taking a long time. Look, X-ray, please watch out. See? Gotta wait for a long time. Got nothing else to do. Dogies! You made another one? You are Doji the 4th. Oh shoot. I should dig on the ores. Get away. Doji the... I'm just gonna call them all Doge. Oops! Oopsie daisy. Actually, you're gonna die. Huh? Wait, actually, no, I don't want them to die. Teleport to me. Teleport to me. Yes, they did. What about other little teamies? Oh no, they went on the tree. Go in our house. Wait, I claim this. I'm claiming this. I'm claiming this. Get in the house. Oops. Get in a damn house. Get in the damn house. follow me then. Climbing this house is come on, come on, come on. Good. Sit. You all can sit here. You too. No! Get back here or else I'm gonna kill you. Now with the stick. Favorite thing in the world. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Now come here. Come here. Okay. It's time for you to die. Want to die? Or you want to live? Oh shoot. Get out of the way. Now you come. So annoying. I have so much stuff. Come on. Fine. Why can't she stop doing that? My head really hurts. I'm gonna have to go to the hospital for that, and people are just making it worse. Oops, I broke my bed too. I did that? I don't believe it. Oh yeah, I have nuclear on. Be careful with what you break. Guess no windows then. Okay, Dojies. Now let me mine. This is a trap for all zombies. But yeah, I'll make a zombie spawner with this. This is actually pretty easy. Oh yeah, I should. Actually no. Actually yes, this is gonna be easier. So if you have this mod, then you still have fall damage on, then I know just the thing that could help you. You know what? Just put on the slow fall mode, and then just keep on digging. And whenever you're about to hit the ground, dig another hole, or just keep on just like that. What? Let's go, dude. Well, we always mine in this bottom bedrock. Well, we always mine in like this, because we are. This is awesome. I love this game. Again, 10 out of 10 would recommend. And this is a 39 video. I guess this is kind of a mini movie. I'll do it all the way to 7. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. I might have just destroyed my whole entire world. But that's X-ray. Okay. Oh. Okay, I guess we're gonna end this video here. This weird spot. Bye, guys.